More gum.
Yeah.
Please. Can you say please?
Please.
There you go.
Go.
You're welcome.
Please. Please. What?
Put it in your mouth.
No.
Yes.
Gum.
Gum.
No. Gum.
Are you going to eat it?
No.
What are you going to do with it? You're supposed to eat it. Your feet were hot? Well, don't put them on the heater.
No, my bite. No.
He's eating the camera cords.
Hey.
Put that gum in your mouth. It's not. If you're looking at it, then you're not in it. See, nothing. Thanks. Put that gum in your mouth, or I'm gonna take it away from you.
No.
Yeah, like, there's Brennan.
Bye.
Do you want me to throw away that gum?
No.
Then eat it. We got baby hands. Tristan, come on.
Me?
Alright, give me the gum. Give it to me. Then eat it. Put it in your mouth. Tristan, put it in your mouth. Hey, what are you doing to that gum? Don't put it on the floor. The floor is dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, now eat it. Then throw it in the trash can. Bless you. Okay, eat. Well done. Good job. What? You're on there? Good job.
Mom.
What? Yep, you made it. You're up here.